What's up, guys? We are doing a short unboxing of my Ruger Mark IV Lite chambered in 22 long rifle, and is in black and gold. We'll see you in just a second. Peace. What's up, guys? This is a short and quick unboxing of my Ruger Mark IV Lite chambered in 22 long rifle. Before we get inside here, I want to go over the box here. Actually, the box is actually a hard case, as you can see here. Got a nice grip handle here. Your two slide locks. You can actually, put locks here if you wanted to keep, children or just anyone in general out of this. I like the hard cases because of the fact is I can store either the gun back in here or just anything in general, miscellaneous things. But anyway, the first generation of these lights, I want to say that it came in a cardboard box. So want to go ahead and get it out the way that this is actually fairly nice box. But anyway, let's go inside and check out the gun. Alright, first things first, actually I wanted to show this is what my price that I paid for it. Here's a nice sticker by Ruger, and here's the instructions, and boom, here is the firearm. The gun does come with 2 magazines, so let's go ahead and go through the safety procedure. There's a flag inside of the chamber to indicate there's no round in the chamber, but we're going to go ahead and double check it. Take the flag out, and inside there, just throw the magazine out, and alright, so the gun is cleared. So let me just go ahead and put the magazines here to the side here. Get the box out the way. Let's go ahead and just set it right here. Alright, so first of all I want to go over is branding. The branding on here is very clean. As you can see here, very clean. Keeps the gun looking very slick. I know I want to say one of the ones I saw online that the word light was really bold. Didn't really care for that too much. So that is the branding. Very nice. Very clean. Alright, so ambi does have the ambi safety each side. See there, and it does have the threaded barrel. There's that threaded barrel. It does have your windage and elevation. So here's your elevation there, screw, and your windage there. Windage there. And this does have the magazine disconnect, so if the magazine is not in the firearm, it will not shoot. If you have one in the chamber, it will not shoot if the magazine is not in the firearm. So trying to give you nice close-ups as best as I can here. You can really see the detail of this. The stippling in the back, in the front as well. Definitely going to have upgrades to this. I have not shot this, but I will soon. There's your breakdown as well. This is actually how you break down the firearm. And yeah, like I said, I actually went and ordered all my upgrades for this particular firearm. And we'll be doing a second video on this. On the upgrades, but I'm gonna go shoot it first. I'm gonna take it to the range and give her a go, and because I want to shoot it before I start adding stuff to it. I want to know what the original feel of it, even though it might not change that much. But so anyway, guys, this is my Ruger Mark IV Lite. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below what you think. It's actually pretty nice. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.